Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video we're talking about how to play Apex Legends on console with keyboard and mouse, and if it's even possible, and if you should. Now the first thing I want to mention is that the lobbies are actually separate for console players and PC players. If you didn't know this, it's important to note that console players only play with other console players. Whether you're on Xbox, Switch, or PlayStation, you are in a lobby that is only made up of console players. Now, that is simply because the console players will not have the movement skills of a keyboard and mouse player or a PC player. Now, if you're a PC player, you will be in a lobby only with PC players in that lobby. However, the only exception is if you're in a pre-made squad with another console player, then you will actually bring that console player in the PC lobby with you. Now, that's only for duos and trios. For the other game modes such as TDM or Control, they may have mixed lobbies. Now, as far as being able to use Apex Legends with a keyboard and mouse, I will say that it may be possible. However, I know that natively Apex blocks any kind of console running a keyboard and mouse. None of your keyboard and mouse inputs will register on your Apex Legends game, and for that reason, just natively plugging in a USB keyboard and a USB mouse into your Xbox or your PlayStation or your Switch will not work, and Apex specifically blocks those inputs. So there are adapters out there that are specifically designed to allow you to do this. Whether they always stay up to date and function all the time, season through season, and whether Apex blocks them or not is up to question. Now, also, Apex specifically wants to even the playing field, and because controller players do not get the insane movement of a keyboard and mouse, it's not really fair that one console player has the insane movement of a keyboard and mouse. So this may be an actual ethical and potentially cheating issue as well, and you may want to consider that your account may be banned if you use a keyboard and mouse even through an adapter for your console. And for that reason, I highly recommend you do not use a keyboard and mouse for your console, rather that you go to a PC lobby and find a PC to use to play Apex Legends. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and be sure and subscribe.